Always hit my line, you don't even.
To be honest, I don't really need the beefing. To be honest, I've been caught up in the deep end. When you want it, I've been rolling on the road, so kinda close though. On the way home, I've been 5 bags and she keep tags. Hairstyle, nails done, but she checking for a waist, man. Tired times need faith, man, but she been patient. I've been rolling.
Hey guys, welcome to our channel. I'm just having some breakfast, as you guys see. Today I'm gonna take you guys along the day with me. It's gonna be like a day in the life type of vlog. You guys seem to really like the last one and watch that one a lot, so thank you so much. If you enjoyed the video, ensure that you will subscribe. Also like the video so it can reach a bit more people. And today I'm gonna I have a few things to do today. I'm gonna go to Ikea. So we're gonna go to Ikea really early this morning, so I'm gonna show you guys, you know, Ikea trip, what's in Ikea, all of that. And then depend upon the time I'm gonna come back, I need to take some pictures because yesterday it was sunny enough. It got sunny like in the afternoon, maybe like after 3, and I got up early to take some pictures. So what I'm gonna do is maybe after 3 again, that's when the sun will probably come out, so we have to kind of like, you know, time it that way. So come back, get ready, take some pictures to go up on Instagram, and maybe go to the gym. But I don't think I'm gonna ever put the gym in because I have the gym this morning at 10, so I'm gonna have to cancel that now. Let me do that because we are going via Ikea at that time. So I'm excited to go to Ikea. I haven't been in Ikea for like a couple months now, so I'm really excited to see what's in there. And today I'm not really planning on buying anything that much. I mentioned in the previous vlog, I don't know when this one is gonna go up, that I wanted to get like a new bed. So I'm gonna look on the bed before I really decide to buy it, if it makes sense. And we're gonna look on some little extra bits that we need. Hopefully it makes sense as well. And yeah, I'm really excited about that because Ikea, you literally can just go there to get like an inspo and stuff, and that's what I'm mainly looking forward to. So I'm gonna take you guys and show you guys, you know, what one Ikea and stuff. So within 2 after I finish eating breakfast, I'm just gonna get dressed and to Ikea. I don't know if we're gonna take the train. The train is kind of longer for take to Ikea. It's kind of quicker by the Uber. So you'll probably think about that if you're gonna take the train or the Uber. I did like a really light makeup, which is coming out so good on camera. So yeah, I'm wearing this suit because I'm gonna just take some pictures real quick. You know, we have to utilize the look of the issue. Take some pictures real quick, and yeah, that's what we are wearing. So we are wearing. Hey guys, so we're up on the train. We wait on the train. Them train cannot take long to come, so we wait on the train for the Ikea. We have to stay on the train for a couple minutes, and we don't think we're on the right train, but we are trying to work our way today. The train. So your suggestion is wait, the sun will come the way. Your suggestion is we take the train.
Please leave your luggage unattended on the station. Luggage left unattended may be removed without warning or destroyed or damaged by the security services.
Yeah, so literally the train over the pan, it will go turn off at the stop where we need to go, right? So we are gonna try take it at this at the last stop, and then try and take the bus to which we actually need to go. But me think it's gonna take longer. We're still have to end up take wait on the same train we're supposed to wait on, but we could just try our way.
At least we're on the way.
Telling them.
Instead of just sitting in one place.
At
least we're on the way.
No, but then we can just wait on this direct train. It's just we have to wait a little bit longer.
In a direct, because it's not like it's go one stop there. It's still have to take the same 3 stop over.
It's a go past the 3 stop, and then it's a go to the actual place where I can't supposed to it. But let's try your way, don't it? But look how we have to go stop at the same train station. But yeah, me that show my outfit, but I never get to show them properly because I don't know what I say. So I wear this tracksuit in the hall. It kind of warm still, and then I have like a little bralette underneath. So and then the bottom and trainers, and then the puffer jacket. Which many people take a look at the time. Too warm right now. Even though 13, it's still kind of hot. But yeah, that's a little update. We just then at the train and wait for it. So we're off on the train now. We're ending up come out of the last train and just take the correct one because we think it's just gonna take too long. So we never tried to work away.
That was a good idea, okay? Get a good picture.
Yeah, that's what I yes.
You got some bum pics.
Yeah. And then we end up taking some picture. So it worked out. Me put some picture on the screen, or you can go from my Instagram and look on the picture that we take because it will probably up by now. So you can check them out. So we just on the train. The train line is kind of different. You just see Bay Bush, so you know, so you go like far north. See like the bush also. And I think it continue like this. Just nothing really. So yeah, we'll probably get to Ikea in the next boat.
Bridge.
Them load. So not now, we're not even them say. So we'll probably get to Ikea in the next boat. Take 10 minutes or so. In the next 10 minutes or so, so not far. And a long kind of train about that kind of train. And you don't get it, so yeah. When we get to Ikea, we'll show you what in Ikea. Hopefully them have some good stuff. And we can get inspired and stuff. Because that's the main reason we have to get inspired to see what in Ikea. So we'll show you. So we are at Ikea, guys, where we are walking to approach Ikea, and the area kind of stink.
Yeah, like it smells.
The area smells like garbage, but we can't really see where the garbage come from or where it's a stink. Wherever. We're at Ikea, so the big Ikea she, and we just walk. I go in at the little entrance to see what Ikea have in there. We could have probably have something for go and munch from. I have a little snack in my bag, but something a bit wet. That it's not dry. I'm at 70 something percent on the battery, so when the vlog end, it end. When it end, it end. Oh, but yeah, Derika vlog.
Yeah, I'm vlogging on my channel, guys.
She's showing her like the Ikea bits and stuff. Mine is more like a day in the life, so she will show them.
I'm literally just doing a pump furniture shopping over camera vlog.
Yeah, so you will see most of the stuff on her vlog. So make sure you go ahead and check it out at Jaydah Talks. So you can, or just in the description, you can check it out down there. So just, you know. But yeah, my face kind of cringe up now because it's so hot. So when I going to Ikea, I want to see a little better image of me. And cause right now I don't know what she had. So we're in Ikea, guys. We're reaching at Ikea. We're just literally there in the first corner of the room. I'll show like what they hear and stuff. I love the color.
Me too. I'm gonna love it indent in.
Yeah.
It's just a go small, then it comes.
Then it just come out. It's a nice mirror.
Yeah. No, up close, it look nice too.
Yeah, this is a nice. This is a
sofa
massive sofa. If obviously now our living room, that does be too much. But she's comfy.
Look how it's swat.
It's nice. We also love this. This is such a nice pillow. The case. And the textured one is nice. And
but I like how them do the all complement each other.
I love the colors.
But I don't think we need any more orange.
No, because we have orange already. We have orange. But we don't talk about this over here, so we really like how them do that. We like this one and with the other one there, and the one above. But we're not too sure about the other big one. Them gonna look like coconut. But
you think we need more mirrors in the living room? You put mirror up there, just the two?
them little one they fine. Them little one in a bad.
You think they bring up the place?
Yeah, them little one in a bad at all. And then you have round here, so.
But I like the, you know? I like what's going on. I like what I'm seeing.
It's very comfy. I kind of put on my mask a little bit. I know only love what you name me.
Girl, where's your mask?
Where's your mask? My mask right there, so nobody worry about that.
I finna do this in my bag.
Yeah. But I will put it down because I'm not going to dead for nobody. It's either I'm out of breath or I'm going to dead by corona. I'm not out of breath because I'm cause that for myself. Corona and me cause it. So we have to pick and choose a battle.
How do you feel about the mask?
I'm not too like that. That make me scared in the night day. I watch TV and I see and I see that. I'm gonna zoom it in so I can see. And I see that. No ma'am.
This would give the also for character.
Yeah, that's nice. That definitely gives some character.
Coconut here, so we need something else.
It's too big. We could just go on to the next. The next location.
Oh, your scale, no?
It's the scale. I'm not going to the kitchen simple and nice.
Yeah, everything tucked away.
It's very simple.
Oh,
you have like the storage.
You see me talk about what them know what them are do?
The storage there, so.
Oh,
what's this? Okay, I love how them do the storage like under this, so. This would I really do good in like them storage here underneath or something instead of just the full open cupboard. Because that way I really get for like section
but
stuff.
Have drawer, we have cupboard
Well, no man, that means I said to draw them. If we did have drawers like this, we just know okay, this is a store with pots. It doesn't make enough sense. You just know say pots this and then you put the little Tupperware them down at the bottom. Would that make so much sense? Because at least you know say the section of this, don't it? But when you have like an open cupboard, literally you just put everything in here anyway. Because
and this is for the kids. You have the little kids.
The little kids area, right? So guys, but it look like kids and dining area. You know see? Because this will look like the dining area, right? So.
I mean, it's an open plan in it, and that's the thing with open planning.
Yeah, but it's
the
such,
way they make it work now.
It's such a small space, but it look like
and they use this
so
couch
big.
to divide it.
Yeah.
So the back of the couch divided, so you have the space.
It's a nice couch though. It's a really nice sofa. Let's see how much feet.
Guys, we like that. We're thinking about
you guys for a little while now, but we don't reach too far in the Ikea. We have to put a little time on a scroll, but we really have to see some inspo.
Proper.
We really have to see some really good inspo in the
mostly
Ikea.
for the kitchen and the living space.
And the living space. We don't really see nothing for the bedroom like that. Just kitchen and living space, which is not bad.
Because we want to finish
here. Because we really want to finish like the main area there. Just so we have, you know, something done up. So and that we too are fine right now. So we find one little centerpiece. We're really nice. So we kind of have a little idea what we want to do to the table. And the glassware, them like really nice glasswares.
It's the high glass white also.
Most of that may I look on the wine glass them.
No, you're on the glasses right
yeah.
now. Well, we're breaking them up.
Yeah,
yeah. Kind of need to top up.
The glasses them are break really quick. Like for example, let me show you the one I really like. There's another one, but I do like this one as well. It's a nice glass. How much is £1.50 for one, which is not bad. I think you buy it in a one pack though. And them have like a broader one, so that's not bad. So I really like the little glass of them. But to all them do the things them in the Ikea.
Oh, you see this one
different. So my makeup all a rub off. I take the picture I'm going to take today, finish text today.
There is why.
I'm going to do about my makeup.
What?
You don't think so? Because the mask I rub off the one off of my nose.
Is it showing up on camera? Because in real life I can't see it. That's why. No, you look fine.
Yeah, this one camera. The camera is a hater.
You know the camera show everything on your face.
Yeah,
everything.
The oils, everything.
Literally.
Anyways, we just a walk around and I wanna review like a few bits for the IKEA. Get the inspo like I said before. And yeah. If you see what me too like that, then we'll show you guys. I'm just go and take in while going, you know?
Tell me you're kind of vibe.
What? Oh. She say that's my vibe. I'm doing it in my notes. I'm doing it in my notes. I look at green area going right here, so.
I think it's too much, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
I think just one row wouldn't be bad.
I think to somebody who really loves plants and greenery, would I really love that. For some reason, I like the kitchen here, you know, I like the color.
I love the black.
It's giving me grown.
I love
You remember the video we watched on the Kim K something? They give me something similar to her kitchen.
Yeah, no, it's giving me
Like the color is nice. I love this. Oh, I really love this. Yeah, I'm love
we
how
don't
them
have
just.
no space for that though.
We don't have no space. I love how them just put the napkin right so in this as well.
Yeah.
It's nice. And this would be nice for your picnic in a Derrica.
That nice for picnic. I
Yes.
say for just the picnic.
Mix
yeah,
your
but them
alcohol
on the
in
picnic
it.
days, yeah.
That nice for your picnic.
And cut up a look of fruits.
Yeah.
Even the one whoever wear oats and so that would be nice for just us.
But just have it out instead of waiting in there. Go in the fridge or take out drinks. Just have it mixed in that.
And put down. That's so bad.
Think about that, I get thirsty, I get hungry. I will if I start glass, them having a one keep on a glass. I literally like my coming here and this glass, may I say. Yeah, them definitely full of champagne. So the Ottoman bed, me that telling about someone switch up my bed. My mother said it in the previous vlog. So I want change over bed. This is the bed where them waiting in them. I lift up a while ago to show the space, but my camera lift up. You lift up again? Well, so I lift up again and show now. And it's easy to lift up as well, so it's literally like
I showed the people my look. Yeah. Go by my channel, they say I should do it easy for easy. Wait now, because she said hold that and then pull that towards you. Yeah, try to pull it up, don't it? See there?
So just imagine like everything stored neatly, and this is a lot of storage. So this is the same as so much storage, and like put all of the clutter underneath the bed neatly. So when I think about it, and at $2.99, so the price not really bad for like where you can actually store, you know. So I'm really think to get this, but I need to talk to my father first. See if he can if he might help me put up this. If I get it, which I think he might help me.
He might help you.
He might help me.
Just send him the date and the time.
So he can pull down the other one I have now, put that in a storage and then put up this to me. Like, oh yeah? Give him to talk and see what he must do. But I like the bed here. But I wish I could have bought this week like I'm off this week.
Come on man, that's good. She's like so annoying. Just ignore her.
No,
we just said you need to talk to your dad. What day of the week is it? Wednesday. Yeah. What day this week?
You talk when you go home and you come back and buy it like.
Alright, tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay. Because we finalize. Yeah. No, I'm going to come back and think tomorrow though. Once I'm done record, once I'm done do my measurements.
Yeah, a couple hours to think about it.
Because I just need to okay. Probably you can see that texture there. That texture is too much for you. Ooh, I like this one.
This is so much softer.
I like this one. And even the pillowcases are quite nice.
Yeah, this is so much softer, but I have something similar to the one here. You may want something kind of different.
Just to switch up the whole vibe. That's the mature. That looks like you as well. The street ones. This is looking like a Wayfair kind of thing. This doesn't look like Ikea. You guys aren't seeing the detail on the camera, but it's cream and it's striped.
The other one would be like it not that soft.
With a little shears.
And it not give me the vibe of my thing.
It's got a bit of a shiny shear. Check up that chair, the compatible, I like quite look. Yeah.
Seat in itself comfy, but the back kind of hard.
The
back kind of hard. May I think about the bed? I like the bed. May I think about that?
No, the storage.
Cozy top.
Yeah, because I can imagine your bag of pillow them. Yeah. Yeah, and the thing is the white now sure, because you have a black now, don't it? Your room kind of have that little vibe there.
Yeah.
But the white now sure, so I'm going to think it's going to fully like mash up your decor where I go on.
I like it. My mind sleep on it. I just need to discuss storage and who put it up.
And when you put it up by? Yeah. You don't want out. But you could have rack on the sofa bed so till them find the time if you're that desperate.
No.
But the sofa bed comfortable.
The sofa bed comfy, but I sleep in a sofa bed for the old days.
Me eat how she love going. Guys, I like that bed here now, but more to buy it. But I like it. This nice for your bed. You see the Airbnb? Yeah, that vibe here. Yeah.
This is that nice bed.
That vibe there.
Some pillow are soft though. Oh, these are the same pillow we went in there. The same cover.
I need to get some new pillow. Could I come get about 4?
How much you have now? You know what I tell you?
No. No, vlog girl, come out of my life.
Alright guys, we have come up to the end of Ikea now with the another bathroom section. And we kind of get hungry now, so.
Hungry?
Yeah, I could have really eat some. The many things that we pick up so far. Not this are just the camera bits because we don't have no basket. So we just pick up some pillowcases, cushion cover, some glasses, and then we take up like a frother for my coffee. And then we have like 2 glasses there, so.
We're gonna come back.
Yeah. You're gonna get that thing?
What thing?
The console.
Yeah. Should we get it today?
You can probably get it.
We'll forget cab.
True. We don't have to get it
We don't have to get the cab today, because if we're getting cab, we just need to do a big old shop.
We do everything,
and just get a
and then
van.
you have to come back to bed and stuff like
Yeah, I think we come back, because I could come back
back.
tomorrow. I just need to go back and get one of my cards. I
Yeah.
left the important card.
So, yeah, we'll probably come back at Ikea, but these are the bits we took up so far.
But the thing is, at least now we know exactly what we want to get.
Yeah.
And we've got the pictures.
Yeah, I'm definitely going to get that bed. And what exactly you want?
And I need to come back, get the console table. I want to find out the thing for the bathroom, my jungle. And I'm going to come back for the towels. And then we're going to come back to get the sauces and stuff like that.
The what?
The sauces, the man stuff that we need.
Oh yeah,
but we don't need it right now, but
yeah.
it would add to the place. And then I could come back and get that clock for the kitchen, for the
Oh.
kitchen. We'll put it up top. No, because it makes sense. Because the other vibe, the whole one.
Yeah, I think we showing the clock on this.
They
So
didn't
go
see-
on
They didn't see the clock.
I think we show it to them.
Maybe it was on mine.
It was on
I
yours,
think I was
yeah.
vlogging.
So if you want to see the clock we are talking about, go on Jaydah Talks.
And then the
then
the
you
bed
see the
sheet
clock.
set
And
and, the
then
pillows.
the bed
Yeah, I
sheet
need to
set,
come
yeah.
back. I need to come back.
Yeah.
I need
The
to
sheet
come
said
back.
with me this fine. It don't feel that nice. It don't feel that nice on the skin, but they can say it don't feel nice on that. Then you want the same one on the tea. But the tea one, it look better.
It look better.
It look better than the white. It look like better quality.
Because the thing is, all of my bed sheets that I have now are all like high 3rd counts.
Yeah.
So it's like, if you just get a normal one, oh, you're gonna die.
No.
No, you're not gonna die.
So same with mine as well. So what make it that to me say? It's like a rough for me.
You said you're a grown woman. Your boss, that's the address. Me can still play that game, but you can't.
What that's supposed to mean?
Yeah. Why are you going back down? Me, let me still bounce 1 to 1 to you.
Give me the room. Make me still
want
bounce
room
too.
to still
Yeah. Make me still bounce.
I know why you bounce. No, stand up firm.
We're not even a look. We're not even a
I get one basket
for the something of them.
for in the living room for just all the bits.
Yeah.
This is big and audio.
So yeah, that's how we get so far. I mean, I think to get the decks, to take out decks. But that's not necessary
Because I
right
could
now.
even
But
come
the
back for the
bed.
console myself. Just get it, and then
Just
we put
get
it
it.
up together. Yeah.
Yeah.
When I'm back, we don't have to come
Yeah.
back together. Because at least now we know. Okay,
Yeah,
what
yeah.
you want, what I want, what we want together.
Mhm.
Because I don't want to come back on my ones. I'm free tomorrow.
This is the This kind of big though. This is too big in
No,
the
it's so big,
space.
but
Yeah.
I like it. We want something more can just spin up. Because we want one for the shoes.
Mm. And then we want one for like the blankets and stuff.
We want one for the, and then plus we need to come back for the mirror, the rimless one.
Oh shit,
So
the
if I
roll
have
mirror.
more money, them look at some of the means just to get me in mind.
Yeah. And we can for the
That is a
the
place
center
to look.
table we can probably go. We need to go thrift store to see.
Yes.
So just to find something different because we never even did sit on here.
Everybody
we
should just have the same round one.
I remember sitting on.
No.
So we need to get like a center table because we still don't find one. So we need to get that.
And we still need a lamp.
We still need a lamp. But we
And a mat.
approach.
And we still need the mat.
We still need a mat.
The mat in Ikea, we saw two that we liked, but the price don't make sense.
Yeah, but the color them dead as well.
It's the same color as the sofa.
Yeah, so it's like a blending too much. So
Or it's like the one that we have in the dining area. So
yeah, so we'll try shop around for that. Hopefully we can find something. But it's so annoying because when me I go back at work, we come back for look.
But I know the place at home, the place in
And I know
remember?
the place I open back up, so I don't really have much time in the week again. I just this week I'm free.
If the place at home earlier, we would have there every minute.
With a day
We would have
here.
there like 2 times a week to go down. Let's take our time, add.
Would have probably finished the furniture already.
And the German never that bad, but the place just are open. This is different, the menu. Eh?
Embarrassment over. yeah. So we finish up in the Ikea now, guys. But we're gonna get some food. You're not getting no?
No, Liss.
Really? So you're
going
going?
to groceries. I buy takeaway yesterday. I buy wings. I can't do it. You don't want to pay for groceries this
Me
week,
neither,
man?
but I refuse to stop from now until the journey for go home. I'd rather get something for £1 and nice than stop because I have groceries in my yard. no, thank you, no sing so. So I go back to the Ikea for all my team reach on so I can eat my food and I cook my meal prep. If you want to starve yourself, mom, that's okay. But I'm not join you.
Oh, I mean, not lie.
No, mom, I'm too hungry for go home like this because I have food at home.
No, man. My bag takeaway yesterday. I can't buy takeaway to get in a
What kind of takeaway you buy?
I buy big sales. But still, listen, it add up.
You're hungry though.
Yeah, some think, but we need to stop thinking like that. It's too rough, no. It's rough.
Yeah, I think we buy a whole heap of something. I think we buy fries, some meatballs.
I don't know by the time Rachel made that early. You know them one
yeah,
day,
that's what you wish you did,
yeah. I'm going to think what I'm saying, Frank. I'm going to say.
Think on it. You can get something quick for £2, £1. Feed it all little chips. Feed it until you reach home. Just little chips because you know something sweet.
Yeah.
To kind of bring back the sugar in your system. Because the blood pressure probably low, you know. So you need to go back up a little. So, you get something for Ikea. The headache will come on. As my one day already, you know, so I know so I need to eat something before I reach home. Because if not, you're going to for the whole day and maybe just gas up. So, letting out the queue to get something from Ikea. I think I'm going to get like a hot dog and little meatballs, little chips and little juice. Probably a little coke to give me a little sweetness. Give me a little sugar rush in my brain because right now, it's low. That's it. So we almost reached the key to Ikea. I'm planning to get like a hot dog meal and some meatballs. And maybe I get one of them, what you call it? Maybe I get one, this is doing too much. Yeah, maybe I get one cinnamon roll. Because I'm hungry. Anytime I'm hungry, I order one bag of food and then I can't eat it. So you know you eat with your eyes because you're hungry, and that's what happened right now. So I'm going to get the meatballs for sure. And the hot dog meal. So they want to say vegetable, but I'm not get that. I'm going to get the hot dog meal with the Coca-Cola with some chips. That's supposed to go down well. And then we go home and have local food can eat later. Probably about 6 o'clock we can eat dinner after this. Or 5:40, depending on what time I reach home. I'm going to take the picture of them today. I'll probably get ready tomorrow and just take them before my appointment. So that is the plan. Hopefully you can't hear me now because in here noisy. And then I wear the mask. So hopefully it's not really hard for me ear. But if that's the case then, sorry in advance.
Are you at YouTube?
No, it's that genuine question.
What genuine about that? What genuine about that?
The genuine one.
You don't want to know.
Yeah.
You want to laugh. The genuine is a look a laugh. Ever since you changed my life, about shake up the chips, them girl. I said, all of them and eat chips good. That's a couple tell me. Eh?
They don't put salt and some.
No, not that. As in, crisp.
Oh, the crisp.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, that's what the shape. Everything's like putting on the bottom.
Everything's on the bottom. But now I love eating the bottom food because of that.
Everything is fresh.
All of the sauce, everything else.
Wear a face covering at our stations and when travelling on trains. Exemptions apply to children under 11 and those with specific medical conditions. Please use the entire length of the platform to keep your distance from others. Stand well back as the train approaches and allow everyone off before boarding.
same way that one meant to get so.
It's a different distance. I just finished eating my Ikea meal. It tastes good. So like I said, I end up get the meatballs. 8 meatballs. I think them give me only 7. A large hot dog. A large hot dog and chips and juice.
We'll go back for the next one.
And then cinnamon bun.
We'll go back to you.
If anybody so far, I really go back for that until them say 7
After you don't need some. I'm gonna listen to it.
But that's not nice though. I also them bag it up nice so that they must say don't check the bag. That's not nice.
Wrap it up.
Because if I did really hungry, but if I did that alone, my order, I say yeah 8.
You not check it?
I 8 I go get then. That would have really hurt me. That really hurt my Ikea. I'm belly full now, don't it? Belly full, so I'm go home and have a little dinner. So there.
Black people must have said I sound stronger. And you come fuel again.
Yeah, we fuel up here now. So we're there wait on the train. The train will take about 30 minutes to come now.
Angels.
It will take long to come. But like with this, one of them train that will really take long, so you have to time it right. And whenever to look on the time. So now we have to wait here for about half an hour until the next train comes.
So when you know they have country.
That's how we know they're way out of London, like far.
London 5-minute max.
Yeah, it's not that far, but it's far.
It's not far.
Because of the train, you think so?
Yeah.
If you drive, you're good.
Yeah, if you drive, you're good.
But if you're going to take the train, it's a long way.
You're going to take the highway.
So you get the quick in no time. I can't even see bad thing. We're still really disappointed about we never really seen much bedroom inspo, like what we expect to see. And mostly like kitchen, dining room, living room. Like them type of inspo and a little bit bathroom, just a weeny bit. A bathroom inspo. So the part they think kinda disappointing. So you will go like probably over. So you never go home. You ever home sense? Probably can try home sense one of them there.
The bathroom.
No, feels like a little bits, you know, home sense a little bit of the part of Ikea Max, so you know them will sell some good bits better.
Well, there's some furniture store, like some independent one.
Yeah, just to get like really unique bits. So that's what the plan. But it was a good trip regardless. It was a really good trip. We'll have some stuff we want to get, so we'll come back individually and come and get that. And then what else I haven't said? Oh, when we reach home then we can show you the stuff that we'll pick up. I think we're showing already, we can't remember. Show them?
Yeah, check it out and show them one the tree something.
I'm gonna put them on. Oh wait, forget, you know what? But you know the glass cup that we'll take out the blue one them. So we end up put that the blue glass them because they come in a one pack of 4 and we only take up 3 and then we just send we back to get the next one and we put them on. So we will take up the one and when we come back we can get the one again. So we end up put that one on. So we end up only get 2 other glasses them. The red wine glass. So yeah, we get 2 of the red wine glass and then
So she can prepare.
just them little bits some bags. Yeah, she can prepare in her bag.
You understand?
So I'm back on
she
her
get a bag we can add it lamb. You understand?
Yeah.
Yes.
So nothing about a sheep and for her back right now.
We
We not even have a little scandal. Not even a little scandal. So anyways, that's a go on. We're just going to wait on the little train to go home. So when we reach home we can put out the cushion cover them and show them how it looks and stuff. Or probably when it finish then we can get like a little reveal or show them how it looks when it did it.
go over again and reveal them.
And the cushion them, the cover them over.
Oh, you never show them in the vlog?
No, we
Will
just
you show them when you scan it? It's a little, it's
show them like a little piece, but not really out on the cushion like. So you can really see what it look like on the fabric we have for.
Yeah.
We couldn't find the size for the smaller cushion, so only get like 50 by 50.
I will never see no throwaway wow.
I will never see no throw really wow like that. So that's a good thing when you're shop, don't it? You have an idea in your head, but then when you go in store, you don't really see it. So it kind of like.
But I feel a lot more confident. I'm a lot more happier with Ikea than H&M.
Yeah, H&M was a disappointment.
Yeah.
You're not
And
really
even the
see-
prices literally don't even make sense.
Yeah, but the only thing is with H&M, them not have. I mean, I think them have like really new bits like that. Are still the same stuff them with them have from like age 7.
From last season, literally.
So.
And the new bits that they have is like 1 and 2. Like it's nothing like a whole range, if that makes sense.
Like they add like just one color, like that green color where you see them.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Yeah, that did nice. That's how the main of the new bits I see in H&M. But it's good for like go out and see stuff out of from where you see online, because you can end up looking on the same bits them all the time. So that we had it today. And hopefully we can go to the thrift store so we can find some unique bits. Yeah. Oh, what train is this? Oh, yeah, now. Hey guys, so I'm back home from Ikea. I'm actually so tired now. So I think I'm gonna end the vlog because not much not gonna go on for today. I'm just here kind of like editing a picture for put on Instagram. Well, I'm done editing, I try to find my caption. And then I'm going to upload that video. I think it's already scheduled. I just need to put in the links in the description for the hauls. Make sure you guys go ahead and check that out. It will be up by the time you guys are watching this vlog. So, and then after that I'm just gonna eat in a chill shower. That's not much not really go on, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed the little day out with us at Ikea and you've enjoyed the vlog in general. And if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Let us know what you think based on whatever, if you ask a question in the vlog, or if you have any formal question, and you can just leave that down below and we'll just answer that. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.